Chris even had to apologize to Josh Brolin's father for defeating Thanos in Avengers Endgame. Sorry, had to kick your son. Though the Avengers saga ended, fans still miss them and the actor miss their character. Remember when Chris Evans, Captain America, defeated MCU supervillain Thanos, played by John Brownlee? How can someone forget such a historic moment in cinema? The Avenger Endgame ending brought tears to fan eyes as they watched their favorite superhero Iron Man die, but at the same time, another one of their favorite defeat the villain. Though the Avenger saga ended with death, fans still miss them and the actor miss their character. While the MCU is churning out new heroes like the Eternal Shang-Chi, Doctor Strange, Spider-Man, Marvel, and so on, even reminisces about the time when he was Steve Rogers. While discussing his new movie Lightyear, Chris Evans spoke with fandom about his experience of meeting Josh Brolin's father, James Brolin, at the premiere. James, who is renowned actor, is co-starring next to Chris in the Taylor story spin-off. Evan revealed that he had to apologize to the actor for talking down his son in Avengers Endgame. I met James last night for the first time in the premiere and told him sorry had I kicked your son. Chris Evans said, I guess technically he beat me up a little bit. He might have won the battle, but we won the war. The news out actor added while talking about the father of Josh Brolin, aka Thanos. Throughout the promotion of his recent movie, Evan has been asked about Captain America. The actor was also asked if he will ever reprise his role. Chris responded to this by saying that he will jump in and take the mantle back just because there is massive demand. While Chris Evans talking about the role of Captain America can be possible through the multiverse theory that the MCU is following right now. It will take a lot of planning and time for that. Meanwhile, fans can watch the actor in action in Lightyear, which will be released tomorrow.